In today's video, we will show you how to modify and cancel pending orders on DxTrade. Let's quickly place a pending order. Simply right-click on the chart for the instrument you wish to trade. You will see options to place a buy or sell limit or a buy or sell stop order based on the price level where you clicked. To place a sell limit, simply click on it, and the order window will pop up. Adjust the lot size and set the price for the limit. Once everything is set, just click on Send Order, and the pending order will be placed. Now, let's modify it. Navigate to the bottom of the platform to the Orders tab. Here, you will see all your open pending orders. To modify, simply right-click on the trade and click on Modify. The Edit and Replace window will pop up. Adjust the lot size if you wish, then adjust the price according to the changing market price in your strategy. You can also set a stop loss and take profit. Just check the box for protection orders. Next, select stop loss or take profit according to your strategy, adjust the price, and once everything is set, click on Edit and Replace right here. That's it, the sell limit will be updated with the new settings. Alternatively, you can also modify the order directly from the charts. Right here is the order line. If you click on it, you will get options to set stop loss and take profit. Or you can also simply drag the line to your desired price, and the Edit and Replace window will pop up again. Make the necessary adjustments and click on Edit and Replace, and the trade will be modified. To cancel an order, right-click on the trade and click on Cancel Order, or you can also click on the cross right next to the trade. Alternatively, you can also click on the cross icon on the charts. And that's it. That's all about modifying and canceling pending orders on DxTrade. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.